Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to factory reset this device. As you can see, I am not able to unlock it. I just forgot the pin code, so at first let's switch off this device, tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off. Confirm that you would like to switch off your phone by tapping on OK. Once it's off, tap on power key and volume up keys, hold them all together until you are in bootloader mode. Here we are. Here you can navigate by using volume up key, so select recovery mode, the first option, and then tap on volume down key to select it to go into recovery mode. Just give your device a short while to enable recall mode. And here in recovery mode, you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and then you can select each option by tapping on power key. So let's find factory reset. So it's here, wipe data factory reset selected by tapping on power key. Now you have to go to yes, delete all user data, and tap on power key. And now just be patient. Your device will wipe all the data automatically. Once data wipe is complete, click on reboot system now, tap on power key, and wait until you are back in the standard mode. You will be able to set up your device as a new one. And there will be no screen protection. And that's it, you've just reset your device. Now you can set it up as a new one with no lock screen included. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.